Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run any app on the cover screen of your Z Fold 4. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Play Store and search for Cover Screen OS, and it is by the developer IJP. And we're going to go ahead and hit install. And once that is installed, we're going to go ahead and open the app. And what we want to do is just log in with your Google account. So I'm going to do that. And keep in mind this app is in beta. So what we're going to do is grant appear on top permission. We're just going to go through all this and set up these permissions. Alright, so now that the permissions are granted, we're just going to hit while using the app and allow. We are now ready to use this app. So we're just going to fold the phone in half, and now when we look at our cover, it's going to say welcome, and it will have your name. And so it looks a little bit different when you swipe around. So if you tap it, it brings up all the apps on your phone like that. And if you want to open one, let's say as an example YouTube, it's going to ask you to unlock it with your fingerprint. So if we go ahead and do that, there we go. Technical difficulties. Whoops, wrong YouTube. All right, I have advanced, so it's a little bit different. But we're going to go to our YouTube app and open that. And as you can see, the app opens just like normal. I can go to my channel. I can scroll through videos, and I can click on videos and they play just fine. I can even I can adjust the volume. It doesn't look like I can make it full screen on some videos, but yeah, I'm sure there's more useful things to do with this than watch YouTube. But yeah, pretty awesome. Adds a lot more functionality to this cover screen. And say I open the camera, this app is interesting because I haven't actually had it load. But if I open up the phone, the app is open, but it doesn't take away functionality. You can still double tap and the camera will turn on, as you can see there. It just adds more features to your cover screen. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. So thank you so much for watching, guys.